How to fix spending money on Steam. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, there are typically 5 to 7 ways to fix this issue. So the first issue is you have a pending game that you have spent money on, so you have to simply cancel that pending payment. Simply go to games and view games library, and there will be option to cancel the pending game on which you have spent money. So that's the first method to resolve this issue. So the second method is check if the website is down, if the Steam server is down or not. You have to simply check on Google. So there are many websites to check on whether the server is down or not. So the third method is you have to disable the proxy and any kind of VPN that are you currently using. So make sure to turn that off. And the fourth method is you have to try another payment method. If you are using a single payment method that you are using from a while ago, so make sure to change it to another payment method and try to use different debit cards. So if this didn't help for you, you have to move to the step number 5, which is check if the internet connection is good or not. So try to download a couple of things and see if your internet is good enough to handle the transaction or not. So the sixth method is check if the bank server is down. See if you have a message from your bank that the bank is under maintenance or something like that. So if all these methods didn't work for you, you have to unfortunately contact to support. So you have to simply go to Chrome and search for Steam support. And simply go for the first one, go for the chat, and you will find a live chat option, and you have to simply go for that and see if they help you resolve your issue or not. So that's how basically you can how to fix spending money on Steam.